There are many rare birds in the world, including some that are unique in their appearance and behavior. The kakapo, a unique and flightless parrot native to New Zealand, is one of the rarest and most endangered birds in the world. The golden pheasant, known for its beautiful and colorful appearance, is also considered a rare bird. The blue-eyed ground dove, known for its striking blue eyes, is one of the rarest birds in the world. The great Indian bustard is one of the rarest birds in the world and is listed as critically endangered. The Bengal florican is the world's rarest bustard and also a critically endangered bird.